Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut on your desktop. So it's very straightforward. The first thing we need to do is just head over to your start menu and you need to search for Microsoft Store and then head over to the Microsoft Store. Inside of the search bar at the top here, we're just going to search for CapCut and hit enter. Then all we need to do is come over to this first search result here and click this. And then we just need to come down to this big blue button and hit install. And this should only take a couple of seconds to download. It's a relatively small application. So just go ahead and wait for this to get to 100%. And once this is finished installing, we can just close out of the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, we now have this shortcut on our desktop for CapCut. And if we come back over to the start menu and search for CapCut, we can also access the application from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch this up. Then when you first launch up the application, you'll get this testing environment screen. So you just need to wait a few seconds here. And this is basically a test just to make sure CapCut can run smoothly on your computer. As you can see, it works fine for me, so just press confirm. And now we've successfully installed the CapCut application to our desktop. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.